Hi guys, I just want to show you something very quickly. So this is the dried result of the most recent painting I've done. Kind of like a Dutch ball, but not with a blow dryer, just tilting it out. And look at the gorgeous colours in the background here. And I don't know if you can pick up some of the shimmer in that kind of background. I'm not sure if you can, but there is definitely a shimmer in that green because it was a color art pigment. And it just looks really cool together, these colors with the background. Look how stunning that looks. I'm really impressed with it, and I'm going to do another live where I start embellishing this butterfly part of it now, and I'll probably do that either tonight or maybe Monday. I haven't yet decided, but if it's tonight, it'll be at about 10 p.m. UK time, or 10:30 UK time. But yeah, I'm planning on doing something with this part next, and I might just paint it over with white to begin with to give it some sort of backing while I decide what to do with it. But yeah, it's looking super, super great. I'm really happy with it, and I thought I'd show my Patreon members it before I actually do the live in terms of what it looks like. Speak to you soon.